Hello. Okay, so time for another video on Kaspa. I've put this one down to the 15-minute chart, and just so you can see the kind of emotions I went through last night. Thought it'd be a good example. And as you can see, you've got my little ugly mud in the video now, so something to scare people away from. So this is where we left it yesterday. I'd invested here around the bottom, but the mistake I made, I didn't put I put a limit order in, but I didn't stagger it. So when I put a limit in, because of the size of it, it actually pushed the market up and spiked a little bit. So we ended up with an average buy-in around here of 419, which is pretty cool to see, that you can manipulate the market slightly, or move the market, not manipulate it, but move it. So this is where we left it, and what I've done, and what I'm going to do every day, is do a little replay of the day. I was going to do a video last night, but it didn't work for some reason at the home computer, so back in the office. So if you use this replay function on TradingView, we can pick it up, and I should have the speed right. So, and I'll try and talk you through what I was doing last night and how ridiculous it was, because it got to like, I spent the last couple of nights up till about 2:30 in the morning watching this. So the replay, I've got it at one speed on the 15 minutes, but it is faster anyway. So we'll press play. And I'll try and talk you. So at the moment, remember, I'm in the market and I'm looking to get out around here, and that would have been around about $1,200 profit. So let's see what happened. I'll try and remember. Right, so it came down. I was like, okay. And it started going up. I was like, oh yeah, it's going up. This is good. This is good. And then about here, I started to panic. I was like, oh my god, it's going down. So I ended up crapping my pants a bit around here and selling out around here, I think it was. It didn't. Oh no! Oh, let me have a look. What happened? I didn't get all the way out. So this line here must be where I got out eventually. Yeah. So I got out here. I panicked and got out here. Then it went up. And I was like, oh crap! I missed it. So I thought, right, if it comes down and retest here, I'll get in again. It came down. So right, I'm going to get in again. And it broke through resistance here, so this is interesting. So on the other video yesterday, I was looking out, if you break through support, you need to get out of a trade if you're in it. Well, on this one, it's actually broke through resistance, so it's punched through a real strong resistance line here, which is usually a sign to like buy. And if you look all the way out, we're on a massive support here at the bottom, which hasn't been breached before, and now we've also breach resistance. So this is very, like, usually this is very positive, like brilliant. So we're in here, it's gone up, unless we're in here, maybe. I can't remember which one it was. I bet it was this one. So I think we got in here on the retest, and I wanted it to go back up to this level, like just the underside of this resistance. But as it came up and it didn't quite make it and came down here again, I panicked and started selling here. I thought that'll do, that's enough. It's about $600, but maybe it's not going to make it. Maybe it's going to come down or get in a bit lower, because the whole idea here is not to just get in and ride it up. It's but it's like get in here, say you've got 5,000, say you've got $100 or whatever, $100, and you've got 100 tokens. If you get in here at $100 and it goes up to $200, then you've still got 100 tokens, but it's worth 200. And it comes down again. Now you've got $200 to buy 200 tokens. So you can double. You can add a lot of tokens or a lot of coins into your bag, like doing it that way. So that's what I was trying to do. So I was trying to go raise it from about 600,000 tokens up to trying to get it to, using this, trying to get it to 1 million, but it went up. I got in here, it went up, I panicked, crapped my pants, went out, and then it went up again. I thought, oh my god, I can't believe it. It's gone up, I'm not in the market. So what usually happens, it'll break out of resistance and come back to test and go again. But it just started going on this candle. I was like, oh my god, I've missed it. So I dived in like an idiot, and it started coming down again. And then this was just me just watching the screen, sat there playing Call of Duty with the screens on the other, with these on the other screens, going, oh my god, I've missed it, I missed it. Oh right, I got to jump in. Oh my god, ridiculous it was. This is exactly how not to trade them. So I'm in here, and it starts going down. I'm like, oh my god, I didn't get in completely in. I'm gonna put 25% in there, and I was like, oh wait a minute, it's got a line here. It's got this support line, and actually we've got a resistance has now turned into support, and we've got a support line here. So this is double what they call a confluence of supports. So this is an amazing place to get in. Let's get in. Let's put some more in. Let's put some more in. Started going up. Oh, I knew exactly what I was doing. Oh yeah, it's gonna go. Oh crap! No. Right, okay. Let's just see what the market does. As long as it keeps going up here, I'll probably put some more in. So I'm in here, but I'm not completely confident. And then it starts messing around with support. Then it breaks support. I'm like, oh my god. Maybe this is support now. Right, I'm gonna buy in now because now it's gonna be support. And then it's gonna go up from here. No, shit, it's gone down. Oh my god, it's gone down. That is literally what it's like. So maybe going back to this support. That's right, look, so we bought in here, hoping it would go up there. Didn't. Bought in here, hoping it would go up there. Went up a bit, then went down again. I was like, oh my god. Then it reacted off this one, which is great. Started going up again. So I'm about 50% in at the moment. And then got up to here, right, it's broke this one. Right, let's get in again. This was a big green candle. So I jumped in here, thinking, right, this is it, it's off to the races. No, came down again. Right, maybe it'll react off this one. Let's just see. I'm a bit nervous now. I've only got 25% of the pot left to put in. And no, it's broke that support as well. Oh my god. Right, well, it's still a good place generally. So all right, it's dropped on here again. Let's get in again. So I have the whole pot. So now I'm in, the fully pot is in. I'm just watching it now, thinking what on earth he's going to do. And it's broke support. Oh my god, what an idiot. So that's kind of like the whole emotional roller coaster of what's been going on. And this is where we are now. So at the moment, after all that, we've been in and out and all over the place. So I've got an average buy-in price now because of all this. My average buy-in price is around about, I'd probably say the middle, around about here. I could actually look. Let's have a quick look. Average buy price is 44175. So it's actually higher. This is the trouble, like when you're messing around like this. 44175. So my actual average buy-in price is here. So I'm actually underwater at the moment by about $1,000. So now we're hoping, that's right, hoping, we're going to have a reaction off here, but we have already broke it. So let's look at some other support levels here. Again, just go back to what we did yesterday or the day before. So just put another, I mean, we're on a 15-minute chart as well. So this is, if you want to get like a nervous breakdown, this is a chart to go on. You can get like the 5 minutes and all, like it's just absolute madness. But if you want to try and stay sane, try and stay on the 4 hours. But because I was trying to time my entry, because I thought I'd missed out, then I went onto the smaller time frame just to get in the best position. But I mean, generally speaking, if you zoom out, it's always a good rule to zoom out if you're getting stressed out about something. This is the whole where we are in the market. So we're in this massive channel. We're in like the top quarter. So we are still quite high, but it is like a, you know, exponential growth coin. So as long as it stays on this support level, then I'm happy to stay in it. If it breaks this, then I'm 100% out, and then I'm just going to watch what happens. Because let's say you had $100, or $1,000, say, where we are now. So I see you got in where I did. You know, $1,000. Let's see if we can do the actual maths instead of just making up stuff. So you got in here at 44248. And you got $1,000. So $1,000 divided by 0.044248. 44248. So you got 22,000. Let's write it on here if I can. 22,000. Let's not write it under the thing. got 22,600 more or less. I think I need a better pen. That's painful to see. So 22 boo. 22,600 coins, and then let's say it's done exactly what it's done, and now we're at 42865 or 42873. So you got 22,600 times 0.042873. So now your $1,000, that was 1,000, is now worth $968. So you have lost money. However, you've still got 22,600 coins, but they're worth less. So let's say this goes all the way down to here, worst case scenario. We get down to this bit here, around the 41,329. So you've got 22,600 coins times no. Let's say actually you have to wait for it to go breakout. So let's say you really give it a chance. So 22,600 coins times 0.040469. Let's say that's where you're definitely going to get out, no matter what. You're out around here, because that means that major support's broken. You're out of town. So you will have your coins at this point will still be 22,600 coins, but now it's only worth 914. So you've lost nearly $100. It's at $85. So you've lost 8.5% of your pot. It's down. However, if it breaks support and you're out here and you're watching it go down, and you've got $914 left, and it gets down to here or down to here, so you're still left with $914 in your floating USDT account, and you buy back in here at 0.33772. So 914 divided by 0.032220. So that equals 28,386. So call it 400 just to make things easier. So 28,400 minus the 22,600 that you had originally at the top. I keep pointing at the screen at the top here. So you've actually made an additional 5,800 coins. Now at the moment, so you could say, right, 5,800 coins, let's say it gets back up to where it is now, so times that by 0.042703, that's an extra £247, which is 25% increase on your initial £1,000 investment. That's how it, not investment, you know, gamble, because let's face it, it is gambling. So it's just to show you what I've been doing is trying to accumulate tokens rather than the actual money. So I was trying to build my pot up to eventually, hopefully, 1 million coins. But this is how, you know, you just need to keep jumping out, and it goes lower, jump back in. If it goes up a bit, jump out again, and keep doing that. And then hopefully we'll get to a point where, well, we'll get to a point where it'll land on one of these support levels. Like, this is a pretty strong one, this one. It's got all these touch points on there, 1, 2, 3, 4. It might get around here to 31 and start going up again. And then you're like, oh, brilliant, I've got, instead of having 26,000, 22,000, I've got nearly 30,000 now. And then it might not be much now, but if this coin gets to, this is a big if, let's say it gets to $1, just to make life easy, or let's say it gets just 10x's to 20 cents, then that extra 5,800 coins times 0.2 is an extra $1,160 you'll be making, just because you've got extra tokens. Same amount of money, less money in fact, but you've got more tokens. So that's why I'm not as worried if it goes down from, zoom back in again. Let's go back on, I'm going on hourly again. So I'm not too fussed at the moment, even though I've got a material loss here, an actual physical, financial loss, but a floating loss. I've not cashed it in, so it's a floating loss at the moment. I'm quite happy. Well, happy is a strong word, but I'll still be okay if it comes down here and I end up cashing out here, and it goes down further and I get back in again. Then I'll still be happy. If it comes back down here and I go, aha, it's broke support, let's get out of here, and I sell, and then it goes back up there, then I won't be happy, because then I would have crystallized the loss, and then I'll have to buy in at a loss, or get even less coins then, if that makes sense. It's a lot of waffling, but I think you get the idea. So let's just get rid of 1,000 drawings. Show you the fast way to do it. So literally going all the way back. I'll just delete all the drawings off, shall I? One of these will say delete all, is it? Remove objects? That'll remove everything. Anyway, we'll leave those bits in. Mess around with it later. I'll clear this up in a bit. So at the moment, I'm just going to be watching it for the rest of the day. But I hope you like the replay feature. At least you can go through the same emotional hell I went through. But obviously, you've not got any money in the game, so it's not the same. But when you sat there and it's going like, oh, I'm gonna be amazing, it's gonna be amazing. Oh, it's gonna go without me, and then down, and then shit. Oh no. So we're here. So I'm just gonna watch it at the moment. Hopefully, it'll get support around here and start going up again. That'd be amazing. Maybe come back down, test support here, start going off again. That'd be fantastic. I've not got as many. I still made more coins. I ended up making probably 10-15% more coins, something like that. I'll have to work it out, but not as many as I would have wanted. So I'm just gonna keep an eye on it. If it comes down again, then I'll be selling, and if it breaks its support, I'll be selling, hoping it to get lower, and I'll be getting back in around here. But I'll try and do it every day or two. Just monitor it, and if you like this replay idea, and give us a like and a comment, and if you've got any questions, stick them in the comments as well. I just started this, so it'd be nice to get some feedback to know that someone's actually watching it and enjoyed it, or think it's crap, say that as well. You never know. Right, so that's where we're up to. So I'm just going to monitor it. Hopefully it'll come up here, break support. This is what I'm going to draw a little hope line. So break through here, come off here, react off there, up there, off there, and up into the boo territory. This here is the boo, and that's done. We'll convert that into boom. Job's a good one. There we go. Like, subscribe, share with your friends, notifications on, and all that jazz. Peace. See you soon.